Set is an unordered collection of unique items. Therefore, if you want to have elements which exist only once, you should use a set, because in this case, you don't need to perform an operation which ensures you about the uniqueness of the collection. Definition happens within curly brackets. If I duplicate Kate inside this set and run this program again, you can see there is no duplication. Kate exists only once. Set is an unordered and unindexed collection of items, so you can't use indexing for accessing specific elements, just like you did with lists or with tuples. If I try to reach the second element of this set, you can see Visual Studio said value names is unsubscriptable. Basically, it means you can't index this set. However, you can still loop through on items with a for in loop. In order to get how many items a set has, use the lem method. Argument is just the set itself, names. This set has 3 elements. To check whether an item exists in a set, there is an in keyword. If Kate is in names, then I print out Kate is in the set. In a set, you can't change the items, but you can add new items and remove existing ones. To add one item to the set, use the add method. To add multiple items, use the update method. To remove an item from the set, use the remove or the discard method. The difference between the two methods is that discard won't give you an error if the item you want to remove does not exist. So if I'd like to remove ban, and in this case I don't have ban in the set, I have a key error, but if I use discard method, it doesn't give me that error. With the clear method, you can empty the entire set. And now set is empty. Sets are able to do mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference. Union means all the items of set A and all the items of set B. For performing a union operation, you can use the pipe operator. Or you can use the union method. Intersection means the items which exist in both set A and set B. For performing an intersection operation, you have the AND operator, or you can use the intersection method. Difference of set B from set A means items which are only exist in A but not in B. For performing a difference operation, you have the minus operator or the difference method. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.